Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Jay here. Going to do a quick video hopefully on this right here, the Xtravision Sylvania H11 halogen replacement bulb. Going to install this on my 2008 Malibu. Sorry for the lighting, it's a little in my girlfriend's garage here, but in any event, first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you a clip of the current OEM, and it's going to be one-sided because the passenger side is still good, but the driver's side is out. Then I'm going to show you what the new Xtravision Sylvania H11 looks like in comparison with them both in, so side by side. And then lastly, I'll show you with both bulbs replaced on both sides of what that looks like. So here we go. Okay, this is the OEM, obviously on just the right side. Okay, this is with the Xtravision on the left, the driver's side, and the OEM on the right. Okay, and here we have the final product. Both lights are in. As you can see, it's cleaner. I don't know if you can see from the previous clip, but it is whiter than the original OEM, the Xtravision is. I can't speak to the durability of it, but it's a little brighter, a little cleaner light, and it's worth the extra few bucks in my opinion. So that's pretty much it. With that, I'll wrap up this video. I thank you for watching, and I hope it was informational. Please consider giving it a like, and consider subscribing to the channel, and be safe out there.